and ransom. Let Alex go and sleep. Mr. Ibu family, leave our cyberspace. We Nigerians are facing a lot. Even Nigerians in diaspora, they are facing a lot. Issue of South Africa is there. Our Nigerians are in UK. Some of them, they have lost their jobs.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa LIZZY ANJORIN ó ti jáde wá dragi family Mr. Ibu tí ó kú tí ó ń ṣe fíìmù Yorùbá. Mo lérò wípé gbogbo yín ni ẹ mọ̀ Mr. Ibu àti family rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tèmi LIZZY ANJORIN ti jáde wá dragi wọn. Ó ní wípé kí wọ́n fi wọ́n lọ́rùn lẹ́ẹ̀kan má wá máa tọrọ owó mọ́ lọ́rùn láyìn. Ó tún sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ ẹ gbìyànjú láti gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó sọ ní ìparí fọ́nrán yìí láti mọ̀ nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan.
Some of them are, they've lost so many opportunities. Our Nigerian people in USA, they are not finding it funny. Our people in Canada, they are everybody is facing a lot. Please, anybody that been bullied under this lover that died, all their families should leave this social media, or else we go curse you. We go collect calls, and I won't die. May una leave us. Make everybody go face their akara and fully business in peace. Okay, Ayodi, okay, just in block lórí burúkú ẹ. People should leave us in this country. Yabodo. Guys, for those of you that join me back, that just joined this TikTok back, let me replay it. Ẹjọ́, audio tẹ́lẹ̀ tí ara yín gbọ́ yìí. Tó bá pé irọ́ ni Yabodo pa, ẹ máa bá mi gbé ṣépè tọmọtọmọ. Ẹ máa bá mi gbé ṣépè tọmọtọmọ ẹ. Gifty, I'm going to block you. I'm going to block your ass. I'm going to block your ass right now. That
is it that one that drugged my children, put drugs in their food and drinks I want to be talking to?
Ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó lọ ń ta drug ní Naira Marley gbé tí Naira Marley ò bá sílé. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wá sọ pé ó fi drug sínú oúnjẹ ọmọ ẹ máa gbọ́.
Did I say that? I said yes, I said that. I said I did. Because innocently I went to help this boy called DJ Splash. When we got there, the first thing DJ Splash said when he saw me was like, I have helped your son before. I was like, you know Festus? He said yes, because me, I don't know him. I went during the...
Innocently, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó went to go and help DJ Splash. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó said, she now asked, did DJ Splash knows Festus? DJ Splash said yes, according to Ìyábọ̀. Now listen to another video entirely. Listen. Listen.
Now listen, how much bet you drink one, and this is not something that DJ Splash can go to solve. Because the balance is first to Molosi in Mohbad.